Okay, make it for no loss, make it for no cause, Corona. I know that one of the songs where we say yes, they hit it too much that year. Where we say yes, they just start this World Cup for inside the matter. Not think too much. I want a Naira Mali with feature Slim Chills fast. All love it, see me as Lil Cash for the one they call the remix of It's a Goal. And of course, we know say yes, we put it for inside the background and the Coca-Cola arrangement. But I don't think too much. We will not bust it, we don't bust it with that. 1 minute is not past 5 o'clock. Osama and OTB. We did here for Inside Nigeria FM 2.7 Friday, July 6, 2018. Sharply for just some few minutes to get one of our guys. We got busted for inside the studio here. We're gonna talk. We don't know whether the guys have speak pidgin English because I asked Anana whether I dance Shakushaku, the guy former, but now I get one no. Whether the guys have speak the English. What do you say about this guy? Shakushaku tell them.
I think I will be saying guys will like.
Yeah, see, the 4-5 ball.
No, I did game.
No, you said. You said what?
I did game.
You didn't know that game before now.
You know, this song will play just now. They
mention the name now. They mention the name inside. Of course, I know those of you they out there. The the 20 million listeners right now. Where they out there, all of you we don't expect a lot from the World Cup. We're still ongoing, especially those of you who support the Super Eagles. We're not going to say yes. They all about the Super Eagles. They don't return. After they are this stage, their first round, they try. You know, say they try. Even for my mind, I put time, I post time, I say Super Eagles all the way. I don't want to know. They put up a very good fight for the matter. And of course, if you know we know, but we'll find out say yes, one company don't do whether they support the Super Eagles right from time, and that the one and only Coca-Cola. This is a company which signed multi-million-dollar deal with them. Well, and of course, the National Football Federation to support the Super Eagles, and they don't really live up to their name, so they put on their pincher for inside the bottle of Coke, where they put for inside the matter. Many things there for inside the arrangement, like the Share a Coke with Super Eagles campaign, what did they do? And of course, this campaign don't get image of all the players for inside the town. Of course, you know, that Russia team for Coca-Cola bottle, many things. And of course, we don't hear many things will don't happen for inside the World Cup for inside Russia, but you get to hear them for the whole smart himself. The guy there, you not like you. And the guy they run like horse inside pitch. But if they tripping outside, they sit down with person who just did Russia.
Not just did Russia.
What did they show? He played the pitch. That circle, that everything. He like touch ball now.
Are you joking?
Yeah, you like touch ball. Telstar 18. You like touch ball. Oh, but I want to try you. When they look out for inside, what did they call out from TV? I know say for this for the middle of that pitch, everywhere it go long, it go wide. I know Shabe for no long, gonna put our hands together for Indeed Wilfred. You are welcome, bros.
Thank you.
This one, how far?
Fine.
I didn't see the matter, so.
I said the guy sweet for grand pass for television.
I did tell you.
Lanky guy, yo. Guys when we say the guests go lanky.
Sharply, but I be now what cup would they talk so? I be for you to just share that stage for the whole world for World Cup.
I know it's you.
To play for Nigeria.
I know it's you at all, but I'm very grateful because so many people they look for this opportunity. But God don't carry me good here.
You understand?
But they are very amazing. I don't know the word.
Amazing grace.
The experience, don't be for me. Now another level.
Man, don't lie to you. Not only 11 of them did that video. 190 million Nigerians from stay for that fish. All of us they play the ball.
We not say we carry people
when they play the ball, but on that day of Argentina match, so all of us don't wear jersey, we don't ready. You understand? And that's like my mind though. That will reach there as God just want to make it just be. I don't know how to call it now. How it be like with that last game with Argentina?
That last game we just do and say more. This one we must go next round because Argentina don't disturb us too much for every World Cup. So now we just make our minds say we must do something. But you know, saying just 4 minutes now. So we just feel say that 4 minutes, man, we supposed to do some kind of things where play Nigerian style, kick the ball for touch and
you understand? So okay, one thing they look, you know, say that scoreboard they did when they don't give them those extra time, those 4 minutes when I know say when they one go down. How now they feel when I mind they beat say hey, when they panic, when they get tension.
Sometimes the pressure of the game no go even make you the look time if you see the time you know go which time you wanted the things but we just feel say
the way to find out whistle.
Some kind of information supposed go on, so just delay, you know, suppose you know. You don't go.
You don't go, and of course, last, I don't come back to Nigeria now. How body they do you? When we say, well, you both enter the town like this, you just see, say, well, your picture, your face, just day on top of the Coca-Cola bottles across the country. That is nationwide.
I did happy. I did very happy because
Yeah.
when I see am like this, my body rests.
You go well.
So
Go well.
not be just me, I just some of the players also, as in Super Eagles players, that they see some of them. So me, I just gather some, keep on one side. So.
You know, so before you bust in inside the studio, we know they play the song, and all the Naira Marley and the all Amede, they wish for that song. That song, come up play. Now the song with the national anthem during the time we be say when I just they go, especially that day of Argentina.
Once one go enter, would they play the song?
And they play the song.
They play for jail.
But before I even go inside that matter, say, one I know Dan Shaku Shaku when I scored the first goal. When I forget that, just say that project.
Not be there when you say not be Dan Shaku Shaku.
No,
Don't
but
be score.
because everybody for the world they wait for I just to lose the Shaku Shaku. For inside the matter.
The problem not be the Shaku Shaku. The problem is that 3 points. So,
And
no, they also got that 3
okay,
points.
no, talking about the Shaku Shaku for inside the song and everything when they come. You know, say this Shaku Shaku beat they come inside goal, all those kind of level.
Yeah.
What do you think about that song? How far? You go fit sing anything for inside the song?
I don't fit to go. I go
No,
try.
if you're not fit, we fit help you.
Yeah, no,
With your player,
I go take this.
no, you're. No, which side? Which one if you play inside? Which one if you sing inside?
If you play, if I hear,
But you don't know where to mention your name.
I hear.
You don't know if you do that pass.
I go do am.
That's the feeling. Go come online on the Coca-Cola.
They're live. They hear you.
Yeah, so.
It's a go.
It's a go.
You say go.
It's a go. I don't hear the Yoruba part, but it's a go.
They'll soon call him now.
Bye. Bye.
Wilfred.
I like why you say go Wilfred
No, your name they rhyme well now. You never get rhyme. Your name get rhyme well for the matter. Okay now, yes, so but make people don't lost, make people don't come score. With the yes, say you they go they hang out about with fans today for this Russian leg gas. How you see how?
Now just make everybody come, make we come jolly together.
Yeah, they there.
Some gifts go there. And also,
Oh, they will give out gift that today, so.
yes, I will give.
But I
out
still
gifts.
I've been Santa now and everything.
Yeah,
People will see the wash.
yeah,
Okay.
people will watch ball. Then some will take pictures and also.
Okay.
People just come to have fun. It's not Friday.
It makes sense, so. It makes sense. Okay, now make it for loss. Make it for loss. What do you think say we could expect all this kind? Apart from that, what we could expect from inside Russia Lagos? You go stand up, shot, or you go push it, people see your sexy body. I don't know. Just to shock us for yeah.
If I push it now, East people go East.
But seriously, we'll talk the truth. For me, now whether na bad belly, we don't know. Since Nigeria come out, you know, like me get one joke already. They talk where we say when NEPA sees light for your house, you will rush go outside, go up, open door, look whether they don't see everybody light. When they don't see everybody light, nobody light. They see because you know. So now when they look and say when they beat us for this day, when Argentina knock us out, we can look and say, we can get instant bad belly for Argentina. Instant bad belly for Britain, instant bad belly for Brazil, instant bad belly for everybody. What may all of the young come out? But we say no, the kind nation we will come the final, we don't even know them before. So for your minus mind, if you say we just say put small one or two together, what you really think? Because Nigeria 15th year go be the person or the nation will go win the World Cup.
I just the reason England.
In the reason England. So that may say you they predict like that pig now. That pig give us hope.
I know.
That people will not roast.
That pig down soon right now. He give us hope. Because he talk that semi-final, oh boy, see ginger. But now as you don't talk your own prediction, I don't know. I say England.
My own prediction.
England they play today now, be?
Now based on
tomorrow.
my own prediction are based on no based on say okay this time we no win am na Nigerians we no fit we no try we no do am so make my teammates sef the day England team so if they bring am make I see how the medal be go ginger me for the next one by God's grace.
Okay, now what do you want to tell your people? Because I know say a lot of people they here when we say they talk. Are they shocked? You say England. Let me tell you. One of our colleagues now will be half England, half Nigeria where they work for Lagos Stocks. I know say for your mind if you hear you talk this way, they're happy because when England gonna play, go England, go England, yo, because now for England they born out. My brother, no best. I just want to make you ask something. What do you think? Tell your guys, your fans, something, because right now, I think Nigeria FM 102.7 be one of the first media houses where they bring voice of our people. We just come back. Our Super Eagles players will come back from there. So at least as they see you, they represent Super Eagles, they represent the whole federation for Nigeria, for that, for our football. What you just, any last words for them? Any words?
I would just say, based on say, as we play now, we will play against, even the way I see, I won't go back to against Iceland, the way I see videos, I see the way people they celebrate, people don't happy. They're very happy say the game just bring people together. So they're very happy, and I just say I just hope everything will go like that. Now wait till we hope for against Argentina, because everyone for just go another level, you know. So I just say make them keep support the Super Eagles. They pray for the team. I know say the country go better anyhow it be.
Well, they look towards the next 4 years now.
Yeah, if they look towards the next 4 years, maybe just they support us.
Well, they support to...
They pray for us. At least we try to prove some kind of things.
No, that's right. Young men. All of them are more there for that team. More there. Fine balls. Well, almost fine like me, but more jolly, but more jolly. Alright, so thank you so very, very much. Of course, I'm not here in the Wilfred for Inside the Matter, Super Eagles superstar for Inside the Matter. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost. Don't ask us for a few things. Don't forget saying that Coca-Cola actually bring this matter given for the arrangement. And also forget saying Coca-Cola and they say they sponsor our Nigeria FM Jersey Jump, which will happen on the 14th of July for Inside First Garden Bar for Costain. I want to thank you so much for you busting for Inside the Matter as the hot. I want to play the music again also, because this time want a picture, I will go dance for the matter. It's a goal.
This is magic.